For this purpose, for measuring how much progress you are making in achieving a certain SDG. For this purpose, we have what is called indicators. As I explained to you earlier, there are 17 SDGs, 17 goals, 169 targets. So 17 goals and 169 targets are all agreed in 2015 when they agreed on the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. That agreement already included 17 SDGs and 169 targets. But to measure how much progress a certain country is making, these goals and targets are not enough. You need more specific, more concrete tools for measurement, which is called indicators or global indicators. There are about 230 or 240 indicators. I'm saying about because the number of indicators changes. They sometimes add new indicators, sometimes take out some existing indicators, and some indicators overlap between them. So that's why I'm saying there are about 230 global indicators. For example, if you think about SDG 5, what is SDG 5? Gender equality. You have a target about mainstreaming women and girls in decision making. So if you want to mainstream women and girls in decision making, you need to have more decision makers like your president, prime minister, members of parliament who are female. So one of the good indicators, I like this indicator because I think it's a good indicator for SDG 5, is the number of female members of parliament. It's very short, but it's very concrete, and countries cannot cheat about it. It's a known fact. You can easily check out how many female members of parliament a certain country has. Members cannot concoct the data. It's common knowledge. So if there is a certain developing country that has 300 members of parliament, and they only have 10 female members of parliament, that is obviously not enough. They cannot, come up with the first number. It's so obvious and it's so transparent and effective indicator.